Yan na lang, ano ba to? Ground beef, yan na lang ang ibihilaga ko. Tapos ito naman yung sa akin. Walang yan talaga mga to. Ayun, nalaga na. Okay, so that's the beef, ground beef, and this is the pork. Yan. Marinated yan. Kaso, nilaga ko na lang lahat para malambot na. Okay, so I already cut the ground beef. Hiniwa-hiwa ko na. Tapos hiwa-hiwain ko na rin to. Okay, so I slice also the pork. And then of course, the ground beef right there. So I'm gonna put some ingredients and some veggies and some sauce, whatever I can make up with it. Okay, so I already put some mixed veggies, and ito, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan yan, parang malaking onion, green onions. And of course, pork and beans, para manames. Alright, lagyan ko na rin siya ng tomato sauce. I'm also going to put some peach slices para manamis-namis. And of course, diced tomatoes. Ayun, completos fricados na. And of course, kung ano yung mga spices ko. Ayun. Ayan, so sobra ba naman ng aking spices. Ayan, lagyan ko na lang ng iba't ibang spices para may lasa. Oh, diba? Ayun, ready na. Ready to be cooked na. Pinagsama-sama ko na. Oh, diva. Tapos pakuluan na lang. Ganon. Ganun. I added more veggies like bell pepper, cilantro, zucchini, carrots, basil, garlic. Ayun, para and green onions too. Kompleto na yan. So yung meat nasa ilalim na. Pakulo ko na lang. There you go. Ayun. Alright. Cooking. Nilagyan ko rin siya ng marshmallow. Pampatamis lahat yan. I make my own food with my own recipe, with my own ingredients. Ako lang naman ang kakain. So, lahat ay experiment. Ayun. Diba? Cooking the mystic away with my pork and ground beef. Yun, luto na. Okay na. Pwede nang kainin. Yes. Naluto na rin ang aking kanin mixed with beans at kung anik-anik, macaroni. Pinagsama-sama ko na siya. Ayan. Yan na yung beef and pork and then some veggies. And ito na yung rice. So, kaon na. Kompleto na. Ayun, kain na mga anak. Wow. At yung pork. At yun naman yung beef. ground beef. And of course, my veggies. Sarap. Kain.